In this video, we will walk through how to create a product in Kartra. Before creating a product, make sure you integrate a payment processor. To do this, go to Settings and Integrations to connect a supported payment gateway. Once connected and the integration is activated, you can go to Sales, Products to create a new product. First, you will select an option for how customers will get access to their purchase. For example, a Kartra membership, an integrated membership from a supported third-party platform, or a downloadable file that can be uploaded and hosted in your media library. If the product does not include digital content or download links, you can select the Others option. This is useful for physical products, calendar or webinar registration or services. Name the product and create it. Now you can go through the tabs to configure each of the necessary settings. In this video, we will focus on the main settings needed to publish a product. Under the Basic Info tab, you can set product details like the public name, description, and image that will display on the checkout page. Remember to change the payment processing from the default test gateway and set it to the payment gateway that you integrated. Next, you can set the product pricing, which can be a one-time payment, a recurring subscription, an installment plan, or recurring installments. If you want to offer different pricing options on the checkout, you can add additional price points for each purchase option. Each price point also has the option to enable an initial payment. If you want to offer a trial period, or charge a different amount for the first payment, like a deposit for example, you can also configure settings for shipping cost, sales tax, and refund policy if needed. In the next tab pages, you can set the thank you page that customers will be directed to after they complete their purchase. This can be an external URL or a Kartra page. If you want to offer an upsell or a one-time offer to customers after they purchase this product, you can set the corresponding landing page here. Products include a legacy checkout, and you can use the first 3 settings to customize the default checkout page provided by the product. We will skip this for now, as best practice is to create a checkout later. We have a separate article with a video on how to create a checkout. An important setting you can control here is the checkout form fields. You can add additional fields, as well as create custom fields. There are also useful features like cart abandonment tagging, terms and conditions, and bump offers. Moving on to the post-sale tab is where you control what happens after purchase. For example, you can subscribe customers to a mailing list or assign a tag. Accessing your product contents will open the same settings you saw when initially creating the product. If you ever need to change what customers are getting access to after purchase, you can do that right here. Below that, you can create basic automations based on various actions that occur with this product. If you're on the growth plan or higher, the affiliate settings will be unlocked, and you can enable the product for your affiliate program. Once you're done going through all the setting tabs, you can publish the product for live sales. Thank you, and we hope this was useful.